Welcome back. It's now time for business. In a move that is expected to bring much-needed relief to millions of electricity users, President William Ruto has signed into law the Excise Duty Amendment Bill 2025, which removes the 25% excise duty on imported fully assembled electric transformers and their parts. Wairimu Njenga reports on what this means for households and also businesses across the country.
Heavy electricity users pay connection fees of 15,000 shillings, especially for single-phase connections for households within 600 meters of a transformer. For those located farther from transformers, the fees increases depending on the distance. With the removal of the excise duty on electric transformers, the cost of connecting to the national electricity grid is expected to drop significantly. The Excise Duty Amendment Bill 2025, sponsored by Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah, that has been signed into law by President Ruto, marks a major step towards lowering electricity costs.
And this bill is very good because it makes the cost of transformers to the consumers and therefore the cost of power to the consumers cheaper. Brings the cost of our energy delivery lower.
Passed by the National Assembly on April 15th, the new law is expected to contribute to reduced electricity tariffs. Another impact is reducing the cost of transformers, as every connection relies on a transformer infrastructure.
You and I and team and the people in trade and industry must also work on the incentives for local manufacture of these transformers, encouraging the current assembly to go all the way to manufacture.
Lower transformer replacement costs translate to reduced operating expenses for Kenya Power, savings that could be passed down to consumers. Additionally, the new law is expected to ensure a steady supply of transformers, enabling Kenya Power to restock within its current budget and reduce the frequency of blackouts caused by stock shortage. The new law also corrects a tax classification for imported float glass to align with the East African Community Common External Tariff, ensuring clarity and consistency in taxation. Wairimu Njenga for Prime Edition.